The 2026 Ferrari 12 Cilindri is more than just another exotic sports car. It's a celebration of everything Ferrari has mastered over decades of building front-engine grand tourers. In an era where electrification is becoming the norm, Ferrari has chosen to keep the spirit of the naturally aspirated V12 alive, and that decision alone makes the 12 Cilindri feel incredibly special. The first time you see it, the design immediately grabs your attention. It's low, wide, and sculpted with clean flowing lines that blend classic Ferrari inspiration with modern aerodynamics. The long hood, muscular rear fenders, signature LED lighting, and aggressive stance create a presence that demands respect without looking overly complicated. Every curve has a purpose, giving the car an elegant yet powerful appearance that feels timeless rather than trendy. Open the door and you're welcomed into a cockpit designed entirely around the driver. Ferrari has combined luxury with motorsport-inspired precision, creating an interior that feels both premium and focused. The seats are beautifully crafted from fine leather with exceptional support, while carbon fiber accents and brushed aluminum trim remind you that performance remains the priority. The fully digital instrument cluster provides crisp information directly in front of the driver, while the central touchscreen offers seamless access to navigation, connectivity, and entertainment features. Wireless Apple CarPlay premium audio and advanced climate controls make long-distance touring just as enjoyable as spirited weekend drives. Despite being a high-performance machine, the cabin feels comfortable enough to spend hours behind the wheel without fatigue. The real magic begins the moment you press the start button. The naturally aspirated V12 comes to life with a sound that's impossible to replicate. It's smooth at idle, thrilling under acceleration, and becomes an unforgettable symphony as the revs climb. Unlike turbocharged engines that rely on instant boost, the 12 Cilindri rewards the driver with a beautifully progressive surge of power that builds all the way to the top of the rev range. Every press of the accelerator feels mechanical, emotional, and completely connected. The steering is razor-sharp, the chassis feels incredibly balanced, and the suspension delivers confidence through every corner while remaining surprisingly comfortable during everyday driving. Ferrari has engineered a grand tourer that feels equally at home on winding mountain roads, long interstate journeys, or even relaxed city cruising. Technology quietly supports the experience without stealing attention from the driving itself. Advanced traction management, adaptive suspension, multiple driving modes, carbon ceramic brakes, and modern driver assistance systems work together to enhance confidence while preserving the authentic Ferrari character. The balance between cutting-edge engineering and pure driving emotion is what separates the 12 Cilindri from many modern supercars. It never feels artificial or over-assisted. Instead, it constantly reminds you that you're driving something engineered for enthusiasts. For drivers in the United States looking for one of the finest grand touring supercars ever created, the 2026 Ferrari 12 Cilindri represents something truly rare. It combines breathtaking design, handcrafted luxury, advanced technology, and the unmistakable sound of a naturally aspirated V12 into one unforgettable package. Rather than chasing trends, Ferrari has chosen to celebrate its heritage while embracing modern innovation, creating a car that feels emotional every time you drive it. The 12 Cilindri isn't simply fast. It's an experience that connects driver and machine in a way few cars ever can, making it one of the most exciting and memorable Ferraris of the modern era.